guys, we're now at the airport and we're done doing the self-check-in, and we're just gonna eat here at Pancake House before the flight. We still have 3 hours before the flight, so see you guys later.
We expect touchdown time at about
After an hour and a half, we finally arrived here at Puerto Princesa Airport, and paglabas makikita nyo yung tricycle rate nila. Kain muna tayo sa Kinabuch because we're so hungry, and we got yang chow, mixed seafoods, and sisig. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Buenas Pension kung saan kami magsa-stay for the night before kami pumunta ng El Nido tomorrow morning. So kumain lang kami kanina sa may Kinabuch, which is a walking distance na resto lang dito, and pumunta sa convenience store to buy everything that we need. So let me just show you guys around. So this is Buenas Pension. We're currently outside the room, and makikita nyo may mga table per room kasi dito nila siniserve yung breakfast every morning. So they have until second floor para sa mga rooms. Finally, after 5 hours and 30 minutes, we arrived here at El Nido, and we are staying here at La Soledad Guest House. Tara, ikutin natin. So, ayan, sa labas, may mga tables din kung saan isa-serve nila yung breakfast. And then, inside the room, pag open nyo, andito na agad yung bed. We have an extra bed here on the side, but we're not going to use it. Wala lang kasing available na room na kinukuha namin for today. And then, that door is for the CR, but then hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo because nandun si Jaime sa loob. And they have an area here at the back wherein you could just relax or like have coffee, you know. I forgot to show you guys this mini cabinet that they have where you can store your things.
On the way to Nakpan Beach, and nag-rent kami ng motor.
Hindi ko na-expect na ganito pala ka-challenging yung daan papunta sa Nakpan Beach. Sobrang dulas niya, lalo na nakamotor kami. Even yung mga trike, hirap silang pumunta dito. So ayun, I decided to walk na lang since medyo malapit naman na daw. After the challenging road, we finally made it, guys. We are now here at Nakpan Beach. I must say na worth it because sobrang ganda and sobrang peaceful niya. Maybe because hindi masyadong marami yung pumupunta dito kasi nga hindi siya part ng itinerary ng island tour. This is also where you could try ATV kung gusto ninyo. Dito rin maganda mag-picture, guys, kasi nga wala masyadong tao, so makaka-aura talaga kayo ng todo.
ATM pala dito, pero medyo walking distance siya dun sa beach.
It's 7:30 and it's dinner time, guys, kaya lumabas muna kami at pumunta dito sa area kung saan nandito yung mga bar and kainan nila. Walking distance lang to from La Soledad Guest House, so sobrang nice talaga. Malaking area to, guys, may mga bilihan din ng souvenir pala dito. We ended up here at Big Bad Thai and sobrang sulit, guys, 200 to 400 plus yung food nila dito. Welcome to day 2, guys. Tara, samahan niyo ulit kami.
Mas mahirap po ba puntahan yung tour kapag ano yung panahon? Yun nga, guys. Mas mahirap daw puntahan yung tour kapag medyo maulan yung panahon. And ngayon kasi parang may low pressure area sa balita. So inuna na namin yung tour habang maganda pa yung panahon. So yan, dito tayo sasakay ngayon.
Ayan, Kuya is explaining that due to the low pressure area, we might make some changes sa itinerary namin for today. So our first stop is Cadlao Lagoon, and dito magre-rent kayo ng kayak. Regular kayak is 350, ito yung gamit namin ngayon. But if you want a crystal kayak, meron din naman, mas mahal nga lang, I think 400 or 450. Lunch is included, guys, sa island tour, and ayan, dito kami kumain sa may Talisay Beach. This is still in Talisay Beach. Nag-swim lang kami before bumalik ng bangka. I actually didn't have a video of the Star Beach kung saan pwede kayong mag-snorkeling.
Ayan, tingin, tingin. Huwag kayong tumawa. Ayan. Oo. Oo, tingin. Kaway, kaway, kaway din, sir. Oo, isa pa. Isa pa. Oo. Oo, kita mo? Oo, isa pa. Isa pa. Oo.
This is Hidden Beach nga pala, guys, kung saan naganap ang human drone. And that's the end of our day 2 guys. Kain lang kami dito sa Garlic and Mint. Same area kung saan kami nag-dinner nung first day.
What you get?
Leg chop.
Leg chop.
Good morning guys, it's day 3 and ito yung breakfast namin dito sa La Soledad Guest House. Nakapack na siya. Kapag mag-start na kayo ng tour, dito kayo dadalhin and dito kayo imimit ng inyong mga guide. Yan, pasok daw tayo dito guys sa may maliit na butas na yun. Kailangan nakahiga and then itutulak kayo dyan papasok para makapunta sa other side. Ayan guys, sa maliit na butas na yon kami dumaan kanina, pinapahiga and then itutulak na lang. Nandun naman sila kuya na guide para tulungan kami.
What's this called? It's the same. Ha?
We are not! So, papasok po tayo sa cave. Pero nakakapagod magsagwan. Share ko lang. Hirap. Ay, papasok tayo dito. Wait lang. Wait. Ganito pala yung biglag kung papasok ka sa cave. Medyo mahirap. Pag tumalon ako dito sa kaya,
Ano?
eh, di tatalon ka din. Ay, jump. We are now at, saan tayo, love? Hindi mo alam, no? 7 Commando Beach, our last destination for Tour AA. So, ayan. Ayan, may area ng dispatch for mga bangka and then doon yung swimming area. But since nagmamaputi ako dito, magsa-sunbathing muna kami. So this is my favorite part of the tour kasi sobrang chill lang dito guys, and siguro since ito nga yung last destination namin, ito yung pinakamahabang time na nabigay sa amin to enjoy the island. So we were able to play around muna bago kami nagpunta sa my swimming area. It has been a while since my last video, but thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you again next time.